friends, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Christina and I'm the owner of Christina Loves Planning. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about something I get asked about all the time. What do you actually need to start budgeting for the new year? So as we head into 2026, I really want to remind you that budgeting does not need to be overwhelming, okay? It doesn't need to be overwhelming. I want you to understand that I want you to first be in the mindset. You're in the right mindset. You're good. You can do this, okay? You don't need a million supplies or a complicated system. Honestly, starting simple is the key for you to stay consistent. It is the key to consistency. When a person has too much, sometimes you get overwhelmed. You have too many things going on. There's a lot going on. And now you're overwhelmed. And now you don't know where to begin or where to start. And you might not want to continue. Today, we're going to focus on the dated budget planner. And I want you to understand, you can pick any type of budget planner that works for you. These are the dated budget planners that are in my shop, but I also have undated. The undated are just that, they're undated. Dated means it's dated, okay? This one has a gold coil with a horizontal week, okay? First and most important essential to any budgeting system is a budget planner, okay? That is what you have here. So this is where everything starts, okay? Your planner helps you see your income, track your bills so you know what's due, write out your goals, write out your tasks, and keep track of your expenses all in one place. So that is why a budget planner is very important. So I love using a budget planner because it gives me clarity. I need to see what's going on. I need to know what's going on. I need to be able to highlight and check off. I'll actually show you my current budget planner. This is my current budget planner that I've been using for 2025. So these are the same ones. So we have, again, these are the dated. We have silver coil and gold coil. And in order for you to dress it up and you want to make it cute, I have different snap covers that you can just attach to the front, attach to the planner. I also have new bookmarks that we are receiving. They should be here next week. So I'm really excited about those as well. So this is my current one, okay? And so this is the one that we have. And you can list out, you make your planner the best as have fun with it, write in it, decorate it, use stickers if that's what you like, use highlighters, and just really decorate it and go all out. Okay, so you have your month on 2 pages. I'm not going to go through everything. The point of the video is just to show you the important budgeting essentials, which is a budget planner and your cash binder, which is this. So we have 2 items. These 2 items are super important for you to start your journey without feeling overwhelmed and having to purchase 50 saving challenges or this or that or that. I'm just giving you my recommendation because I've been through it and what I think is best for people. I think that if you're the type of person that does get overwhelmed, some people don't. Some people want to have everything. They want the caddy, the saving challenges, and everything, and that is fine. But some people might want something just very simple because that's, it's easier for them to understand and easier for them to work through. But the dated budget planner has your weeks as well. So the point is what we want to get people to do is to be organized. First of all, I always talk about this. I know it's to be in the right mindset. We want to keep people engaged, motivated, organized. When you are organized in your personal life, you will be successful in the budgeting area as well, in your finances, okay? So it all ties together. It's not that, okay, now we're doing budgeting and you can let everything else fall. No, we want to simplify your whole entire life. We want to make sure that everything is going smoothly for you so your brain is not working on overdrive. Or, some people have ADHD and it's really tough to get through the day. Okay, so I understand that. So today's video again is just, these are the items that you should use if you want to start your budgeting journey. Okay. Now, I just want to quickly go through. So you have your weeks, and then you have your budgeting section here. This is where you're listing out your bills. This is the month on one page, so you can actually see what bills are due between the pay periods. Okay. Then you have your different smaller pages, expense tracker and sinking funds, and your credit card tracker, your debt tracker. And these pages are very minimal. You have Afterpay, you have subscriptions, then you have your paycheck tracker. Okay. So very easy, very, very, very easy. So on my website, I currently have, it's called the Starter Kit, and it consists of this. It literally consists of you picking out the dated planner, whether you want gold or silver, and the fully loaded binder. So let me show you I don't have everything in here. This is actually mine, but here, let me show you exactly what I mean. So these two items are on my website as a bundle. It's called the Starter Kit. Okay, you can just grab it. If you feel like you don't want your binder set up like mine, that is okay as well. You can still purchase the budget planner separately as well as your cash binder. Okay, so you could definitely buy them separately. I'm just trying to share with you what I do have. This is where I plan out my months. I plan out my months. I plan out my, I track my expenses. I'm checking with my goals. I'm writing out my tasks. If you're someone who likes structure and to see everything laid out, then a budget planner is a must, and that is essential number one. That's the first thing that you should do, no matter what. That's the first item. Okay. So your budgeting essential number one is a budget planner. Okay. All right. Number two, the second essential for me, I always recommend, is a cash binder. Okay. This is such a game changer because especially if you struggle with overspending. Okay. Using cash helps you become more aware of where your money is going. So once the envelope is empty, that's it. And that alone helps you build better habits. Okay. So I use my cash binder for things like groceries, household, eating out, gas, beauty, and miscellaneous. And I also have sinking funds. That is a separate, that would be a separate video because those are different envelopes. The envelopes that we're specializing in are these categories. So you can actually watch the previous video that I just did yesterday. It really breaks down the cash envelope system. Okay. It breaks it down, but it not only breaks it down, but it also explains how and how much you should be adding to these envelopes. Okay. So the cash envelope system helped me when I first started my own budgeting journey. If you don't know this, I struggled and I hit rock bottom, and I was at a loss. I didn't really know where to go, what to do, and I heard about cash envelopes, and that's when I started doing my research, and I started using cash envelopes, and I started sharing, I started using, and etc. Then a couple years later, I wanted to sell my own. I opened up my business, and that's the story. But I was like, I still use these till this day, but this changed my life. I wouldn't even be here if it wasn't for this. Honestly, I wouldn't. If I never made that decision to step back and say, okay, I'm going to make some changes. I was tired of living paycheck to paycheck. I was tired of being broke. I was tired of not having an emergency fund. And all I needed to do, you know what I needed to do? Listen. I needed to be in the right mindset. I needed to focus on what was important. What did I really want? Did I want to go to work every week and be broke? No. I mean, who does? So I had to make some big changes. And so I did. I worked really hard at it. I made those changes, and I want to share everything with you guys. And that is what I do. Okay. So essential number one is your budget planner, is to pick it out, whether it's dated or undated. And essential number two would be your cash binder. Okay. So let me just show you very quickly. I was just recently just talking to you guys about the starter kit, and the starter kit, like I said, comes with one of the dated budget one of the dated budget planners, whether you want gold or silver. And then these are our fully loaded binders. Okay, these are all assembled by me. They're beautiful, and believe me, they're just gorgeous. Okay, sitting down took about a whole day to put these together. So you have black, we have pink, and we also have the tan. And this is what they consist of. This whole binder is ready to go. It's fully loaded, and it's ready. It's just ready to go. It's perfect. So you can rearrange this any way that you like, but I'm going to go through. This is a fully loaded binder where you can start adding your money, and it's easy. Okay, it's all decorated. It's ready to go. So what I did was I put the acrylic cover in the front. I used our Christmas dashboard. This is new. We have a credit card dashboard that lists out reasons to start. We also have make a plan dashboard. I have some dividers that say cash envelopes. And then these are your 6 categories that we talked about. If you want the straight font, you can also leave a note at checkout just saying that you prefer the straight. So you have groceries, groceries, household, eating out, beauty, gas, miscellaneous. Then I have a tab that says sinking funds. And then the next is the set of 12, which is your 1 month ahead. These are sinking funds, okay? But it's the same concept. You're saving to make things easier for you. So you have, budgeting, utilities, phone bill, car payment, car insurance, kids, pets, medical, emergency, spending, subscriptions, and online shopping. Then you have 5 pages of front and back. This is the grocery list. And then you also have tasks. So 5 front and back, that's 10. Again, 5 front and back. You have the acrylic dashboard. All of the transparent sticker sheets that are in the shop actually look really cute, like the one that I have right here. I put something like this week, so like the stickers that we have in the shop, they'll fit. I mean, it looks really cute. You can use any of them. Okay, then I have 10 pages of, these are the half notes. After that, I have 1 month. Did I have 1 month? I think there's 1 month in here of the personal size undated. So this is an undated where it's undated, so you can take this with you, keep track of the things. This is the undated budget planner, but I made it into like a personal size. See? So it's just like the same. This is a credit card tracker. So you can put 2 cards in each, or you can use it for gift cards. And then here is just an envelope. It's like a PVC envelope, and inside it you have a monthly set of cash envelopes, and they say January. These are clips, so you can actually just grab one, and then I also give you the flyleaf and a couple extra dividers that say holiday savings. So what you can do is, if you could just use it like this. So you can add like another envelope, you can add the patterns, you can put your money in here, and you can just like save, 20, 20, 20 for the month of December. It just makes it cute, small, small and manageable. I thought. Okay, so that is the fully loaded. It's just ready to go for you. And then of course you would choose your budget planner, but I just wanted to show you that is the starter kit. And then these, if you didn't want to get the whole kit, this is also on the website separately. So I'm just trying to explain it because I do get a lot of questions daily on this. Okay, this one is mine. I was actually using the tan, but I decided to change back into the black. I like it. I like the black. Okay, so so if you are just starting out, I just want you guys to hear this. You don't need to do everything at once. Start with a planner. You can add your cash binder after when you're ready. If you want to get both of them, that's fine. Build your system in a way that works for you, okay? It's really important for you to do this because everyone is different. You know, some people want everything right away. Some people will take baby steps just to understand what they're doing. The goal for 2026 is consistency. It's not perfection, okay? We're not aiming to be, you know, for perfection, okay? These two essentials will help you stay organized, intentional, and confident with your money. Both of these. That's all you need. You can actually put a cover on this. We actually have more covers on the way as well. So you need this to write your goals, to write your bills, to do your paycheck to paycheck tracker, to write out your credit cards, to keep track of your expenses, like everything. This is super important. And then 2 is to start the cash envelope system. And that is exactly how I did it. That is exactly how I did mine. That's how I did it. I took steps. I was like, okay, the first thing I need is my budget planner. And I started working it. I started figuring out, you know, what did I owe? Start going through the drawers instead of hiding the mail, you know, really focusing on what is important and all of the bills that you need to start paying for, and, you know, just looking at what needs to be done instead of kind of not paying attention to things. So if you are looking for budgeting supplies to get started, I have everything. I will have everything linked below. I do thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I do hope this helps you feel excited and ready for the new year. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know, are you more of a planner person or a cash binder person or digital or paper and pen? I'd love to hear from it. But again, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate all of your help with everything and your support. Again, if you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Head on over to my website and subscribe to my email list as well so you don't miss anything. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day today. Bye.